If you want to use Facebook Messenger on your Apple Watch Series 9, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you whether you can install Facebook on your Apple Watch 9 or not. Not only this, I will also tell you how you can use Facebook on your Apple Watch Series 9 without installing its app, and how you can reply to Facebook Messenger's messages on your Apple Watch Series 9. Just stay tuned until the end of the video. As you know, Apple Watches run on their own watchOS, so you can install apps directly on your Apple Watch from the App Store. So let's open it and search for Facebook to see if it is available to download. As you can see, Facebook and its Messenger app are not available on the App Store at present. So you can't install or get the Facebook application on your Apple Watch Series 9 from the App Store. But wait, this does not mean that you can't use Facebook and Facebook Messenger on your Apple Watch Series 9. I will explain two ways to use Facebook on Watch 9. Take your connected iPhone and go to the App Store. Search for WristWeb for Facebook and tap on Get to install it. After installing, open the app and tap on Login here. The Facebook login page will open. Fill in your Facebook credentials here. After completing this, hit Login. Then, wait for a few seconds. It will say Checking Login Status. After about 5 seconds, it will log in automatically. In a few more seconds, you will see that you're logged in. Now, you won't need your iPhone anymore to use Facebook on your Watch 9. Now take your watch and look for the app you just installed. Here it is. Open it. As soon as you open it, you will see Home. All you have to do is tap Home, then wait a few seconds for it to load. And then, it will display your home page and your feed. You can see options like Home, Notifications, and a plus sign. These are posts on my feed made by people I follow. You can see the full post. Tap on it and from there you can like, read comments and even comment on the post. It is a full Facebook application. I just love it. Here, tap on this to see notifications, and by tapping on this plus icon, you can write a post or change settings. If you also want to message your friend, then you need to install another app called Watch Message for Messenger. Again, take your iPhone and open the App Store to install this app. After installing, open it and tap on Login, following the same steps I followed for Facebook login. After logging in, open this app on your watch and view all the messages. You can send messages to friends and reply to them by typing or recording. There is also an option to see videos and images in chat. Just tap on the image, video or the audio to see what the next person sends you. No option is available to make and receive calls. The only drawback of this app is that you may need to subscribe to get the full access. However, the subscription amount is very low and you can choose between yearly and lifetime options. This is the best way to access Facebook Messenger on your Apple Watch Series 9. Is this helpful for you? Now, I will tell you another way to use Facebook and Messenger on your Apple Watch Series 9 without installing any other apps. We use Facebook Messenger for chatting with family and friends, and you can do that on your Apple Watch Series 9. Your Watch 9 will notify you whenever you get a message on Facebook Messenger. So let me tell you how you can use Facebook Messenger on your Apple Watch Series 9 without installing the Messenger app on it. For this, you need to open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap on the notification. Now scroll down and find out Messenger app in the list. This is under the Mirror iPhone Alerts from tab. You can see a toggle button in front of the Messenger app. Tap on this to turn it on. With this setting, you will receive all Messenger notifications that come to your iPhone. That's it. Now you will receive all Facebook Messenger messages on your Apple Watch Series 9. And you can see the messages on the watch. If you're not getting Messenger notifications on your watch, it means that your Messenger notification is not enabled in the iPhone notifications. Turn it on and then try again. To check messages, you need to access notifications by swiping down. Wow, I can see all the messages on my Apple Watch. Tap on the notification to see messages. You will also get an option to reply them from your Watch 9. Click on the reply to enter the message, and below this it has a like button. Below this, you have the option to mute this. And tap on dismiss if you don't want to take any action. If someone sends you a photo in a chat, you can view it and reply, but you won't be able to see video in notifications. You will still need to use your iPhone to watch videos. I'm sure you also want to know if you can answer Facebook Messenger calls on your Apple Watch Series 9 or not. Unfortunately, there are no notifications available for incoming calls on Facebook Messenger, but you will receive a missed call notification. As soon as the missed call notification appears on your iPhone, it will also be displayed on your Apple Watch Series 9. This is how you can use Facebook Messenger without installing the app on your Apple Watch. But what if you want to use Facebook on your Apple Watch without installing the app? Don't worry, I will tell you how you can access Facebook on the watch without its app. To do this, take the Apple Watch Series 9 and get help from Siri. You can activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or by long pressing the digital crown button. Request Siri to open facebook.com. It will display a hidden browser and open the Facebook URL. Now, you can log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will see the Facebook web version like this. Here, you will get the same Facebook experience as you get on your laptop or your PC. You can add friends, check your feed timeline, join any group, or search for anything on Facebook. It is like using the Facebook web version on a mini computer. You can also install other web browsers to access Facebook similarly. That's it in today's video. I hope you understand the ways to access Facebook and Messenger on your Apple Watch Series 9. Share it with your known ones who have any Apple Watch. If you find this video helpful or have any questions, then please click the like button and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.